What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Mural visual work platform and its different features. Mural is a visual work platform that you can use with your team members, or basically let's say it's a whiteboard on steroids. You can use it with your team members in real time to like brainstorm and plan projects and so much more. You can go ahead and add like sticky notes, and your team members can comment, can add ideas to it, can edit them, can like react to them, can link them to other ideas. You basically like jotting ideas or drawing out ideas and like what you think and any suggestions and so on. So it's pretty great to have as a tool in your arsenal for growing your business and managing the tasks with your teams. So let's get right to it. Here you need to go to their website, that's mural.co, and you'll be greeted with their homepage right here. You can watch this video as an introduction on what the platform is and what you can do with it, such as like adding ideas and snippets from anything that you can do. And you can here click to start a whiteboard. However, we'll just like look around for a bit before starting it. Here you have some of the features, some of the services that use Mural, as well as some like templates here that you can use for generating ideas, organizing ideas, planning projects. So as you can see here, this is more like a map, and it changes the layout based on the type of project that you are working on. So understanding audience, here this is like a chart or like cards, a stack of cards. Recap and reflect, which is like divided into parts. So you get the idea. You can customize it however you want based on your project. And here are some testimonials, some reviews, and so on. Now let's go ahead and review the pricing. You have the free plan here, which allows you up to 3 murals and unlimited members. You have the Team Plus, the Business and Enterprise, and you can go ahead and compare the benefits and features of each plan to know which one is best for you. The Team Plus is $9.99 US per user per month. This is billed annually. You can change it to monthly and the price will increase a bit. Now the Business is $17.99 per member per month, billed annually. Now let's go ahead and sign up to test it out. Here you need to enter your work email or sign up with Google or Microsoft. So I'm going to enter my email. I'm going to sign up with email and then get back to you. And now they've sent a verification code to my email. I just need to open my inbox and then enter the code right here. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, now that I entered the code correctly, I need to enter my name, my first name, last name, and password to continue creating my account. So let's say here I'll enter my name. Okay. And now I'll enter a password. Okay, now click on create account. Now the account is created. I need to set up my team and accept the terms of service. So I'll click here to accept the terms of service. And now add a workspace name. Let's say test workspace, continue. And now I can invite members. However, I can skip this step. And now I'll skip like the setup process, or this question, sorry. Have you used visual work platforms? No, this is my first time. What kind of work? Let's say I am a teacher. So I'll choose education, okay. What's your role? I'm an individual contributor. Okay, and now it's creating my dashboard. And here it is, my main dashboard. I can add a template here. They ask me to add a template. And I have many templates to choose from based on the type of my project and my goal. Let's say I want to use this 1-year roadmap to plan my tasks and my goals ahead for the year. I can click on preview to preview the template here. And I can click to use it. And now the template is being added. Okay, it's now added. Now I can zoom in and out here using my trackpad. Of course, if you have a mouse, you can zoom with your wheel or using this zoom in and out if you want to. Now here I have the roadmap for the year. I can click on any element to edit anything. Basically, I can edit the background color. I can like edit the text by double clicking on it. And let's zoom in a bit here. Let's say finish job or finish the task. Okay, and I can make the text smaller or bigger. I can edit the font, make it bold, italic, underlined, and so on. I can edit as well the alignment, as well as zoom to selection here if I want to make this element the center of the page. And now I can like link this task or this element to another one. So this here, I can link it to the next one to be linked together. Now this is like the job itself. Let's say the task itself, build, let's say I'm building a computer. I'm just making up like random tasks here, building PC. And as well, I can change the border color now to make the border more of a blue color. And now these two are like linked. And as you can see, it's spread over the year. So this first finished task, would take from January to July. And this is one, this subtask will take from mid-February to mid-May. And you can drag the tasks to a different like time frame here. Let's say I wanted to begin in June, for example. And you can expand it if you want to and retract it to make it fit for a smaller or a larger time. Now, let's say here I want to view the templates to change the template that I'm working on. Let's say now I am working on a 5-day week view calendar. Let's click on it. And it's now adding. And as you can see, you can add multiple templates next to each other. So you basically have this infinite like canvas that you can add as many templates and elements as you want to. Now let's add a sticky note here. Let's click on it. And you can choose the shape, rectangle, circular, or square. Let's add a square one, yellow. And it's added right here. I can expand it. I can enter whatever I want. Let's say testing out. And I can edit the text type. Let's edit the font. Okay. Making it appear more like handwritten text. Okay, make it bigger. And I can, of course, drag it to change the position. I can change the border color or delete the border even. I can switch the color of the sticky note itself. I can do basically whatever I want. Let's say I want to add it right here. Or let's make it smaller. And let's move it up here. And let's link it to this task. Okay, so as you can see, when I move it, it still is linked. Okay, and now in the week view, calendar weekly view, I can just click on any day here to add tasks to it or add like notes. Let's double click here. And now this is the day. I can add a new line. Okay, I have an important appointment. Okay, highlight the text, make it bigger. And you can edit the text as well. Now here you can add a sticky note and it will add a sticky note to this area. And you can do so in any day. So if I click on this day, I can add another sticky note and I can add days here in between if I want to. Okay, and I can edit the text as well as the shape and the fill color or the background color. Let's say a light pink here to separate this day or to make it more distinguishable. Here I can add a text box, let's say a heading. And let's say this is the title. I can move it here to the top. Okay. Make the text bigger, much bigger. Expand it. Let's change the text font to this font. Align it in the middle. And as you can see here, we have a title. Now next we can add shapes and different shapes and connectors and arrows and stuff like that. We can add different icons if you want, and you can search by keyboard or search by icon. You have many icons to choose from. You can add images from Jiffy, from Unsplash, from other platforms, and you can import images as well as upload images from your own computer if you want to. You can add mind maps here, ready-made mind maps. This is the main title or like the starter, and you can add elements here as you go. Okay, and as you can see, I can add as many and make like a large tree of mind maps. And as well as for any element, edit the text, edit the color, background color, edit the size, and so on. And here I have the tables and areas. I can add a table, I can add a freeform area, and I can add a grid area. And have more tools. I can draw if you have a tablet or your laptop is equipped with a touch screen and a pencil. You can write on it or draw on it. I have the content library, or I can import files from my computer, such as like photos, videos, to add them, or sorry, to icons and stuff like that, to add them to your mural. And now I can change the mural name here. Let's say test mural. And now I have a workspace that I work on. I can add a timer, I can add voting, I can add a private mode, I can add laser pointers if I want to, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and now I have a laser pointer instead of my mouse cursor. That's pretty cool. I can press escape to exit it. Custom toolbar, I can add an outline here, a comment. I can add members, so now I can only add, here I have myself, I can manage the mural member, I can share it. And here are the mural basics that are covered by me for now. Now I can go ahead and share my mural. If I click on share, I can invite by email, or I can copy the link to others to invite them, and they can share the mural with me in real time, and we can work on it together. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can use the Mural platform with your team members to plan events and tasks.